All right, let's work the upper glutes. We're gonna do about 4 minutes with a band. So we're gonna come onto all fours in a quadruped position. And so you're gonna wrap that band around your knee if you want to, or keep it up. And then use your knee to support it into the ground. And now we're gonna kick our leg back. To start, we're gonna start with some kickbacks. And let's get going. Core is going to be nice and stable. And you're just using your glutes to kick that leg back, tapping that toe to the ground. And now you're going to sit into your hip, and then as you come up, kick your knee up in the same fashion as a kickback, but you're going to bend your knee. So you're going to sit into your hip, keeping your core stable still, and kick up. You're going to feel tension in both of your hips. All right, let's go through one more here. Feel that nice burn. All right, and back to kickbacks. So tap that toe and kick back using your glute. Also, keep your hips square, so we're not rotating upwards at all. We're not tilting forward. We're keeping our back, our upper body as stable as possible while just moving our lower body. And we're gonna switch to the other side, so be prepared to wrap the band around your other leg, all right? So I'm just gonna scoop my knee in and then free the other one and get going to kickbacks. You can also do you can also push your hip out in these kickbacks as well. All right, now bend your knee, and we're gonna sit in our hip and then abduct out. You like to inhale, or you should inhale on the way down and exhale on the way out, holding for a moment at the top. All right, and one more time here. And back to kickbacks. So tap that toe, kick and hold. Maintain that neutral core. We're almost done. Keep those hips square. Keep all the mind-muscle connection in those glutes and hips. All right, very good.